Traders, welcome to Kajani Trade and Train. Today's video, we are reviewing Bank Nifty review dated 10th June 21. Today, CPR is wide CPR. Wide CPR. See the range of the today's CPR. It is a wide CPR. It indicates sideways market. It indicates wide CPR indicates sideways market. Candles try to spend major time within or close to CPR. Candles try to spend major time within or close to CPR. See the today's 5 minutes candles, how it is confirming this statement. Candles, majority of the times, candles spend within the CPR. This is today's CPR. All these candles are 5 minutes candles. See, majority of the time, candles spend their time within the CPR. From here to here, almost 1:30 to 2 o'clock, all the candles, 5 minutes candles, spend their majority of the time within the CPR. Wide CPR stands good between R1 and S1 or previous day low to previous day high. This is resistance R1, this is resistance, this is support S1, this is S1, this is R1, this is previous day low and this is previous day high. See the candles when wide CPR forms, it is stands good between R1 and S1 or previous day low to previous day low to previous day high. Just see that this statements how practically it is proved in Bank Nifty chart, today's Bank Nifty chart. The second one, 2 days CPR relationship. 2 days CPR relationship. This is today's CPR. This is yesterday's CPR. Now we are going to see the relationship between yesterday's CPR and today's CPR. Today's CPR is outside value. Outside value. This is the yesterday's CPR. This is today's CPR. This is today's CPR form outside value. This is the value of yesterday. This is the value of CPR today. It is from outside the outside value. It indicates it is a sideways market. Again, today's CPR is formed below the yesterday's CPR. This is yesterday's CPR. This is today's CPR. It is formed below the yesterday's CPR, indicates it is a CPR is a bearish CPR. Third one, CPR opening trick. CPR opening trick means where the candles, opening candles are opened within CPR. Today's all the 5 minutes, today's the first 3 candles are opened within the CPR only. This is the CPR range. Candles opened within the CPR. It says that if the candles opened within the CPR, it is a sideways market. First confirmation Wide CPR, sideways market. Second confirmation, outside value, sideways market. Third confirmation, opening trick with opened within the CPR. It is a sideways market. CPR is home for candles. Look at this statement. CPR is home for candles. Candles will not leave the CPR when wide CPR forms. Look at the candles between 9:15 to almost 2 o'clock. These candles are staying within the CPR only. That is, CPR is home for candles. The traders can trade within this range. CPR is home for candles. Wide CPR proves sideways market. Today's relationship proved that it is a sideways market. Opening trick proves that it is a sideways market. When market is in sideways, what is my trade setup? What is my view in the market? My view is non-directional view. My trade setup should be sell straddle or a strangle. Today I sold two straddle. One is at 34,800. See this one, 34,800 and 34,800 PE, 34,800 CE and 34,800 PE. Second straddle I have sold at 34,900 CE and 34,900 PE. When I have taken the non-directional view, stick on to non-directional view. When market start trending, better to exit your non-directional trend. If you want to take a directional view from here to here, it is upside trend. Your moving averages also confirming that it is an uptrend. You can take a directional view and set up your trade setup accordingly. If you look at the MACD, from here to almost here, MACD is showing flat. That means today's market is sideways market. If you look at the RSI also it is flat between from here to here. It is showing, confirming that market is flat. So take the non-directional view up to here and exit our non-directional view trade setup. If you want to know what is wide CPR, what is sideways market, and what is narrow CPR, what are the 2 days relationship of CPR, what are the CPR opening tricks. To know all these things, we have to make a lot of studies. You can Google it, or you can straight away join our 2 days workshop we are conducting on Saturdays and Sunday. Learn and earn. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.